There's a lot of hype recently about the F1 among collectors, especially on the Senna collection. And today, I'm going to show you the original F1 series produced by Tomica from the 70s to the 90s. And among the collection, Tomica make box sets like this. The Camel and the Marlboro are from Senna. And the box set also comprises of the Ferrari and the Benetton. There's also another box variant of 4 with the Marlboro theme driven by Senna. These are very interesting out-of-print casting, and I hope Tomica will bring them back. There's also the Tomica red boxes. These 3 are driven by Senna, and you can see there's a duplicate among the Camel Racing series because one of them is a box error, which are pretty uncommon in the era. And not forgetting the highlight, which is the Marlboro theme. Some other box collection worth to highlight is the footwork from the red box, the F series BMW, and also the Lotus from the F series. More to come is the red box Williams F1 and also the F series Alfa Romeo. Some more Ferraris as well, which the 117 I believe are box variant, followed by the F series. Of course, I will unbox them on my YouTube channel, but here are 2 loose casting as well to show you guys. This is the original made in Japan Camel Honda Racing F1. The decals has been applied in a super pristine condition. Just look at Tomica trademark wheel set. They come in various scale, and this is 1:55. And nowadays it's hard to find one in such a pristine condition. Coming up next is the distinctive Honda F1 in Marlboro livery. An iconic piece, I must say, for the Senna fan. I hope Tomica will reissue this F1 series. I have many plans for them, and follow for more updates.